Hello everyone, I thought I would do a little catch up and hello because it's been a while. There's been so much change and yeah, lots of people are asking questions, so I just thought I would answer some of them here. So first of all, obviously the main one is Craft Stash is going. We're near like the last few weeks I think of the site being live. Loads of discounts there, so you can go and grab a bargain. It is sad, but there is a very exciting new website being built, which leads me very smoothly onto the fact that this won't be now launching this week. So I am due to launch this Friday, the 2nd of May 2025. Again, some people might watch this back next year. And we were going to be launching the new website plus my latest Made to Surprise collection. But it's now been delayed a week because we just want to make sure that that shopping experience is perfect. So it's now going to be on the 9th, so next Friday. But again, if you're following me here on Facebook, Instagram, I'll be sharing all that information. So make sure all your notifications are set. Personally, one of the things that I did want to just mention on here, because I have said on Facebook, is my nan is or has been a big part of this channel. She's crafted along with me, and there is a whole playlist dedicated to me and Nan. Sadly, Nan is very unwell. And yeah, we don't have all the time left with her, sadly. So I am going to be, when I can, spending as much time with her. So just if there are little pockets of silence from me, there will be no more content from Nan, and there hasn't been for a while. But just to let you know, because I know lots of you do still daily leave really nice comments on those videos. You mention it a lot when I'm crafting live, how's Nan? Send our love to Nan. So I just wanted to let some of you know that I know, yeah, do ask. And yeah, I'll keep you posted about all that. And she has sent her love and said hello as well, because I did put a post out on Facebook. It's had over like 1,000 comments or likes or something. And it's just, yeah, it's lovely. And I've read them back to her, and yeah, she loves it. So just wanted to mention that. And then work-wise, obviously Made to Surprise is doing so well, and it's a really strong brand, and I'm very, very happy and feel very lucky to be able to continue this over onto this new website. But on top of that, because obviously Craft Stash is gone, and I did a lot of content for Craft Stash and I helped promote a lot of their brands, I am now going to be promoting these 3 magazine titles. Now, I used to be a subscriber of Creative Stamping, so I'm very, very excited. This is my favourite one. But I also love these Simply Cards and Paper Craft. Now, the great thing about the mags is these are, I would say, like our pocket money. Little treats. Maybe if you're doing your weekly shop, you might throw a craft magazine in every, week or so. I'm going to be offering, free content, as I still do on YouTube, but extra inspo with these titles. So I'll be doing lots of fun folds where you don't need any dies to use them. I'm looking forward to this one because it's got a really fun, this current issue is 147. So if you can hear the noisy birds, it's lovely. I keep hearing them in the background. I don't know how well you'll hear it on this, but it's got this gorgeous like flight kind of theme, hot air balloons, rainbows, planes. So I've got a fun card idea for that one. So what I want to do is I'm going to use these a lot in my weekly craft alongs, which I have now a completely separate YouTube channel for, which is called Muckers Assemble, which is Mixed Up Crafters Assemble. It's already got nearly 2,000 people over there, and it's purely dedicated to live crafting. So if you do like to join in with the live chat and you want to be part of that community, it's really nice, and it is a fantastic group of crafters. It's so kind, it's so lovely. Then do join us over there. I go live on a Wednesday at 2 p.m. and on a Friday at 9 a.m. The Friday is about my brand and my product, and it is, using dies and things like that. But on a Wednesday, it's all about fun folds, and use your stash. And yeah, just get involved with the chat. So I'll be featuring these magazines a lot, and I will be doing YouTube videos as well, so you'll have those to look back on. So I've currently got issue 147 Creative Stamping, then I've got Die Cutting Essentials issue 128. This has a gorgeous tree die, and I've got a nice idea of what I want to do with that. And what I will be doing is flick throughs with the magazines as well, and showing you the exclusive gift, because you can't always see it in the packaging, because the magazines are obviously all in the plastic there, so you'll be able to see that from me. And then this one I'm very excited for, which I've not opened, so I'll quickly open this one now. Yeah, so I just thought it'd be nice just to come on and say hello and I'm still getting, you know, new subscribers every day. So hello to you, I'm Sam. This is my craft room. I know I need to do a craft room tour. It's nearly there. I mean, to be fair, I probably could do it now, but I just like it to be a little bit more finished. We'll get that done, and I'll show it very soon. Let's quickly just show you this. Like I said, I'm going to do separate videos using them. This is issue 270, Simply Cards and Paper Craft. Sorry, this is probably going to be back to front unless I remember to flip it. Lots of you do tell me off, so I'm fully aware. But this is Alice in Wonderland collection. I do have a few of the Alice in Wonderland collections, and they're always really nice to use. There was the Alice in Teal. This one's got more of that navy. I guess it's teal still, actually. More of a navy, greeny teal, I don't know. 58 elements. That is a whole kit. 31 die toppers, 5 foiled pattern papers, and 22 pattern papers. So yes, I'm going to be doing those 3 titles, plus I will be launching all of our licensed product that we're going to be getting. So peanuts, we all love peanuts, Care Bears, and there's some really exciting things for the future as well. So I'm just navigating everything at the minute and kind of getting a new kind of little work schedule for me. And once this new website's out, then it'd be easy then for me to obviously, you know, be sharing that. And yeah, just I need that in place to then know kind of what I'm using and to share like links to the products and stuff that I've got here. And yeah, and just carry on like I'm doing. This is my passion. I absolutely love this. It's my hobby at the core of it. I'm very fortunate that it's also a job now. So yeah, I hope you continue to enjoy all of the content that I will share. Make sure you're following me on the platforms that you're on. So Instagram, I'm on TikTok, YouTube, obviously 3 channels now, Made to Surprise, Mixed Up Craft and Muckers Assemble. And then I'm on Facebook, and we have our fantastic Facebook group, Mixed Up Crafters. So that's your platform where you can share anything that I have made or inspired you. You can share it over on that group there. And again, it's another fantastic source of information, inspiration, and just really lovely people over there. So yeah, head over and follow them. They will all be, everything I think is linked. I need to just double check some of those links actually. And yeah, look out for the next videos. Like I said, it's going to be magazine based. I've got a license launching next week. Yeah, I think that might be next week actually. I need to double check my schedule. So keep an eye out for that. Obviously then my launch, the website launch, and then yeah, lots of fun folds. I've got some really nice ideas to share with you all. So I hope everybody's well. I was going to drink my coffee as I was chatting, but I need to finish this now and yeah, get on with some more crafting. So see you all in the next video. Take care.